So let's paint today Lavender and Bee. So small, fast picture with watercolor. And first we will start from with lavender. We will take blue color, mix with water, and just paint some drops with lavender form. We won't control this water, just put some drops. So lavender, it's flower from up to down, some drops of paint. Now we clean our brush, take away water and take away liquid from this picture. So now we will use and also make it liquid and put somewhere this color, just drops. Again, just drops. It won't be any form, it's just some drops. We will try to mix this color to show background for flowers. So let's leave it like this. And now we will paint here bee. Let's take yellow, and this yellow we will make liquid, and we'll paint form of bee. It will be just round, this like long round form. A little take away yellow with clean brush, and now we will add a little orange, some drops down with clean brush, mix this color. And now important moment, we should take black color and very carefully, just on tip, very carefully, very put some details, black details, in this form to make bee. So here will be head of bee, here one line, and we do this just some drops, some touches. Be careful not to make a lot of black, not to spoil all picture. So you just touch a little bit with tip and down, make some black. And now we should paint legs. So legs for bees, it's one round and small line, and here also 1, 2 and small, and here so. Now clean your brush, and we will take blue, but make it liquid and not so bright, and with tip, take tip and paint some lines to show that this is wings. Just some lines from the beginning, and from the end we will show this is wings. Again, more bright. Look how it looks like. Of course, this wing should be smaller than this one, because this far away So now more black, also on tip, and we will make more details, so more black details. Be careful. Just be careful that water won't come everywhere. So leave like this, and now we can paint lavender, so lila color on tip and more details. So now with this lila color here put some not everywhere. Another color. And some green. Add some details. And our picture is ready.